Today, we're 3D printing a sleek and sturdy microphone tripod. Layer by layer, our printer is crafting each piece with precision. Just look at that clean print. Almost there. In just a few moments, we'll have all the parts ready to go. Now, let's put it all together. A few quick steps, and boom, we have a fully functional microphone tripod, ready to hold your mic like a pro. Strong, lightweight, and 3D printed, because who needs to buy one when you can make it yourself? Want to print your own? Check out the model link in the description. Happy printing!